What if I told you there's a place where you can learn the secrets to building a multi-million-dollar MSP directly from the pros who have done it? That's CharTec Academy, the only MSP training event hosted inside a working MSP with 35 years of experience. At CharTec, we don't just teach theory, we give you full access to every department, every employee, and every secret. Ask anything, learn everything, and take your MSP to the next level. Led by our founder and CEO, Alex Rogers, Academy covers sales, marketing, operations, finance, hiring, company culture, and more. All inside our stunning 21,000 square foot facility in Bakersfield, California. Since 2009, we transformed more MSPs and created more millionaires than anyone else in our industry. With our maverick style and proven methodology, we make learning as fun as it is impactful, no matter where you are in your journey. CharTec Academy will level up your MSP. Don't just survive, thrive. Register today and discover what's possible.